Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Now recently I posted some videos of me exploring an abandoned hospital. Now in those videos I replaced the audio just with music because I couldn't really talk in the area. Now however, going back and listening through the files and listening to the audio, there were a lot of strange noises in it. And from what I've been told, this is actually a building where lobotomies were done a long time ago. So what I'm going to do now is play just some of the sounds that I caught with my microphone for you guys, and then later on I'm going to try and explain a few of them or try and figure out what they are. So anyway, here are just some of the sounds I captured. Okay guys, now that you've had a chance to hear all the sounds by themselves, I'm going to go through them and say what I think they could possibly be. So I experienced this noise on a lot of the recordings, a lot more than I put in. It happened on every floor, and it only happened in the camera, as in I could not hear it in person. So I think this is just some sort of interference, but I'm not really sure what it is, as you can only hear it in certain areas. Sometimes it would be in whole rooms, and then as soon as I would walk out of the room in the video, the noise would disappear from the video. So I do think this is just a normal interference, but I don't know what would be causing it. Now to me, this kind of sounds like someone else taking footsteps after I've already stopped moving. Now this was actually something I heard a lot throughout this hospital. It sounded a lot like maybe there was someone in the hallway behind me, and I'd look back a lot, as you can see in the videos. Now in this clip, what I hear is that it sounds like as soon as I enter the room, someone lets out a small whistle. And although I don't remember hearing it in person, I do turn back and look outside the door almost immediately. Now this one I have no idea what it is, but as I get near the door, you kind of hear the sound of something ringing. And I'm not really sure what it is or what it could be. Now that noise is another noise. I don't know what it is. It almost sounds like something shaking off or scrambling about. I did catch that once on the second floor and once on the third floor of this building. So it did happen more than once, but I'm really not sure what it is. Now this one is pretty clear. It sounds like something somewhere is banging. I don't know if it was from the floor above me. I don't know if it was a door being shut, but it clearly sounds like someone else is in there, moving around. Again, in this part of the hospital, This was something that I was experiencing a lot. If you watch the videos, there's points where I look back a lot because to me it did sound like someone else could have been in there with me. And hearing noises above me was something I also experienced quite a lot. Now this one is pretty interesting to me. I actually hear nothing out of the ordinary other than some interference in this. However, my friend who told me about how to get into this building was looking at my videos that I took and asked me if I had a lighter. I said no, I didn't. And he says that he can swear that in that clip you can hear someone open an old-fashioned Zippo lighter. I don't personally hear it, but if you guys do, please comment below and let me know what you think. So this is the one to me that kind of freaks me out the most and sounds the most paranormal. It almost sounds like an EVP. Basically, what I hear is it sounds like someone is talking. Now, I know that can be hard to hear on your end, so what I did is I produced the clip a bit and edited some things. You're going to hear it with the background noise reduced in iMovie and also with background noise reduced and slowed down. So let me let you guys listen to those real quick. So I hope that me reducing the background noise and also the slowed down clip helped you guys hear what I could hear. To me, this is insane to catch. Again, I use a DJI Osmo Pocket, so the microphone on it isn't that great, but it caught a lot of stuff in this building that I didn't hear. So anyway, tell me what you guys think of these noises. Especially tell me what you think of the possible EVP. This building had a lot of sounds in it, and I definitely plan on going back. Hopefully I can have a proper recorder with me. And I am going to be making another paranormal video about this place, where I will kind of cover the noises, but I'm also going to talk about some other stuff in the place. So definitely don't miss that. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.